Hey, Assalamu alaikum guys. Hope you all are fine and doing well. Today we will talk about a country known as Korea. So let's go. Korea is a region in East Asia. Since 1945, it has been divided between two countries at or near the 38th parallel. North Korea, the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, and the South Korea, the Republic of Korea. So they have been divided into two different, you can say, parts or two different countries. Korea consists of the Korean peninsula, Jeju Island, and several minor islands near the peninsula. It is bordered by China to the northwest and Russia to the northeast. It is separated from Japan to the east by the Korea Strait, and the Sea of Japan means East Sea. So, how did Korea get its name? The name Korea derives from the name Goryeo. So, the name Goryeo itself was first used by the ancient kingdom of Goryeo, which was considered a great power of East Asia during its time in the 5th century as a shortened form of its name. So, what is South Korea famous for? South Korea is famous for being the land of kimchi, K-pop, K-dramas, tech giant Samsung, automotive manufacturer Hyundai, soju, Korean fried chicken, Korean barbecue, the 12-step skincare routine, and of course Gangnam Style. But there's so much more to this East Asian tiger than the trends it has given birth to. These are some of the beautiful places of Korea, some of the beautiful trends of Korea. Korea is really such a beautiful country. They have a lot of beautiful places to visit for the purpose of tourism. So these are some of the pictures, beautiful scenes that are captured in these pictures. So what are three interesting facts about Korea? 100 days after their birth, a celebration is held for the baby. South Korea is the world leader in internet connectivity. Approximately 92% of the country's population are internet users, and they boast the world's fastest average connection speed. And it is the national sport of South Korea. Taekwondo is the national sport of South Korea. So, how is beauty defined in Korea? Korean beauty standards prioritize a slim figure, small face, V shaped jaw, pale skin, straight eyebrows, flawless skin, and larger eyes. Korean beauty standards have been influenced largely by those in the media, including actresses, TV personalities, and K pop stars. This is a beautiful picture of beautiful ladies of Korea. So that's really beautiful. So, what religion is practiced in Korea? Religion in South Korea is diverse. A slight majority of South Koreans have no religion. Buddhism and Christianity are the dominant confessions among those who affiliate with a formal religion. Buddhism and Confucianism are the most influential religions in the lives of the South Korean people. So, guys, this is all about Korea, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel for more informative and for more interesting videos. Thank you so much.